Hello, good afternoon. I think it's afternoon everywhere. Yes, I think it is. I want to talk about troubleshooting, and I'm posting this on my personal page because I'm actually going to share in my business stuff later, but I actually think it also is relevant to other people that have computers and software and devices. That's kind of everybody, right? And so, hey, it's a icky day in Vancouver. It's a hat day. I'm just going to go to the gym shortly, but I wanted to put this out there because it's funny, it's like, I don't know, when the stars align and there's been some issues with a family with computer stuff, and I'm always the go-to person. Okay, just because I am in technology does not mean I know how to fix your brand new stereo. I might be able to figure it out. But here's the thing about systems. So one of the things is I will always say the very first thing if someone says I don't care what it is, my stereo, my TV, my phone, my tablet, my Google Home, my Alexa, reboot. Anything that you're having problems with, the very first thing that anyone that knows anything about technology is to reboot. Because some Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, just shut your computer down, shut the software down, reboot, see if that fixes it. Because sometimes that does. That just fixes problems, right? And you have to be resourceful in your issue. So let's say an example would be, and trust me, we've had issues with Google Home before as well. And so let's say your Google Home is not working. Well, then the first thing you do is unplug it, plug it back in. Does that fix it? If it doesn't, then if it says a specific error, whether it's Google Home or your email or whatever software you're using, then go Google that error and see what comes up, because you're more than likely not the first time to encounter that problem. And there are probably lots of people saying what to do, and usually the vendor as well. All right. So there's the top two things. And I've got a list here of what I wanted to tell you. So just a sec here. Reboot. Oh, yes. Other thing. So I would say that this is definitely step 3. So, well, actually, maybe step 1 is the software up to date. So, all the time vendors are updating things to make them work better, whether it's a software on your computer, it's an app you downloaded, it's a third-party software like stereo, or your car, for example, GPS. There's updates to that all the time if you've got a fancy car. Google Home, Google Chrome. Everything is always consistently updating because they find fixes for things, or what we call patches for things. And so what you want to do is find out, is the operating system up to date? Now, you're like, I don't know how to find that out. Google it. If you have an iPhone, let's say, and you don't know how to update the operating system, just Google iPhone, how do I update my operating system? Call the vendor, go to the vendor's website and find out, okay? That's huge, huge, huge. That fixes a lot of problems. And what many people don't understand also about apps that you've downloaded on your devices, there's the operating system, which is the overall thing that's running your phone, right? So Androids have Android operating systems, Apple has Apple operating systems. So that's one thing that has to be kept up to date. But then the apps. So if you downloaded an app and it's not working, it could be that the operating system needs to be updated, but it could be that the app needs to be updated. So you should always check to see if your apps are the current and most recent updated app. And sometimes the vendor, what I've seen actually happen recently to us, is that we were using version 1 of this software, this app on our phones. And they actually released not an update, they released a whole new app, which I didn't know about. And the new app fixed our problems. So does that make sense? 1, reboot, update your operating system, Google if you don't know how to do any of this stuff. And really that is the main thing. So once you figure that out, you should call, if it's still not working, I would call the vendor and say, okay, I'm using blah, why isn't it working? But here's the thing with the email side that a lot of people don't understand. So let's just say we've set up your proper business email. It's configured properly, right? And so all your devices are all talking to, let's say, contacts. Okay, let's say contacts. So you update a contact on your phone and it updates your CRM, let's say, it updates Google. But the main business email is the headquarters. It's the main source for everything. So everything else is talking to this. So if the main business email, when you log on to their platform on a web browser, and the contact is correct there, but the contact isn't correct in different spots, or something weird is happening, it's not the headquarters that's the problem. It's the device or the app on the device, right? Does that make sense? All right. I hope that helped you guys out. And if you have any questions below, put it in below. I am going to put up my, my little, oh my goodness gracious. See, this is the second time I've done this. Oh dear, that's not going to work. Let me just play this outro. Thanks for tuning in to this 100% free training. If you like what you heard and are interested in seeing if you are a fit to work with us at Agent Tech Mastery, here's what I want you to do. Go to darcitalks.tips/apply and book an appointment to speak with us. We'll get on the phone with you for about 30 minutes and we'll get clear on 3 things. What isn't working in your business that is causing you pain? Why you're missing. So there you go. I'm just going to stop now because this software, here's the thing. Okay, this is perfect to be talking about software and glitches and things aren't working. So I'm using a software to project this. See, I've got the side thing that you guys can see. And if I move, right? And I can actually share my screen. I could share videos. And this happened last time. This is the second time I've just tried these intro and outro. I forgot to do the intro because I got all excited about telling you about this. But the outro video is not working. So I'm going to just stop it. If you bear with me, I'm going to stop it. I got to put my glasses on for this. My lovely glasses. You know, getting older, can't see. I'm going to try this again. Show in stream. Oh, maybe I did the wrong one. Let's try this one and see. I just want to see if it works. Oh, I look way better in that. Helps you fix your messed up systems and build a profitable, streamlined. Oh, no, it's
lots of potential repeat and referral business,
user error,
and how proper system setup can save you a whack of time and make you more money. Remember, scaling your business does not happen by itself. You need experts.
I gotta stop that. But basically, if you're a real estate agent or broker and your systems are messed up and you just are losing time and money, you can go to darcitalks.tips/apply and book a free and complimentary 30-minute chat with me so I can look at your systems and see if maybe we can help you. All right. Hopefully I helped you guys. I'll talk to you later. Please feel free to share this and help out other people who are kind of confused about software and technology and troubleshooting stuff, and you get frustrated, but follow these steps. And I'm going to put the steps also in the subject here, and it will be able to help you later, and you can refer back to it. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.